quest to find solutions has time and again inspired the change makers to bring a revolution. Today, we have an evangelist who has changed the course of education with his innovative ideas and persistence. The CEO of Footprints Preschool and Daycare. Let's welcome in Mr. Raj Singhal for you.
I'm an engineer by degree, as you said. Worked with TCS in my first job, and then worked with one of the early startups in India, actually.
The theme of this TEDx is One World, and what I'm going to talk about is not to unite the world, but how to become one with your world.
So one of the biggest challenges we saw here initially when we came in, that how do you trust a preschool? So we actually started a concept wherein we live stream the entire operation to our parents on their mobile app, so they could actually see whatever we are promising, are we delivering on that or not. With few people in my life, especially my wife, I've actually seen the woman power. Women can actually do a lot. That's something that I've learned from my wife, and of course at Footprints we employ most women, and I get amazed with the kind of
That's good. And can you talk about how you are growing so fast and how you are getting others into this, and what is the model you are following for that?
In our model, what we say is that typically it's a woman who has been in a corporate job and wants to do something meaningful with children. But in a typical franchise model, she gets stuck with a lot of other stuff like marketing or how to recruit teachers. We wanted to take all those pains away. So we said, you just focus on what you wanted to do, which is to actually work with children, nurture them, and we will take care of all the support activities like marketing or how to recruit teachers. So we take care of all of that. So in a way, in fact, in our model, we provide a lot of guarantees, both in terms of admission as well as in terms of buying back these schools. So in case after 2 years you don't want to run it or you're running under losses, we would buy that center back. So it gives a lot of security to a woman. That's how we've been able to grow at a pretty rapid pace. Now we've come up with another model wherein we don't in fact charge royalty for a significant period of time, so that they can start making money before we start taking any share from them.
So me and Raj thought, why should our children in India not get the world's best practices of early childhood and development? And that is when we founded Footprints.
You would all agree with me when I say that Mr. Raj Singhal is taking Indian education to newer heights. As long as educationists like him are setting an example for the youth, India has a promising future. This is me, Chetan Bhagat, signing off for today.